Alright, YouTubers, it's cooking time. I'm going to go for one of them healthier kind of things. I don't think I've made this before. But, these are mushrooms. I'm going to rinse them. We got an onion. A decent knife. And we'll go with maybe 1/3 of an onion. I understand that this is probably not a way, but I'm going to try it. If you can't have fun, what's the point? Get all that heel off of there. Get rid of that. Mushrooms in. Olive oil. I'll cut the edge off. And then I am gonna do something a bit weird. I'm gonna keep these 4 pieces here. Maybe we'll do a 5th. For later. Cut this end off. In with the mushrooms. Alright, so I'm going to cook these down a little bit. There's not a lot to see until the next stage. Alright, in goes the onions. Again, you can do this in your RV. I'm just house and cat sitting, right, Missa? And we're going to add this Morningstar Grillers Crumbles fake meat. I put the I took a picture of the bag to show what's in it, and now we're gonna clear a spot. I'm gonna add these in. We're just going to mix them all in there, let them cook. I don't have a lot of my normal seasonings with me, and I also forgot the most important and cheapness thing I used to cook with, but don't worry, I bought some at the store. Alright, what we have next are peppers. I got a bunch of them. So I'm going to prep these up while that keeps cooking. Alright, the red ones were ginormous, a couple of them, but that was the only color that had any size to them. So, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to kind of core it. Not the most effective way. Now we're going to just have it. Okay. Clean it out. Gotta keep stirring this. And turn it way down because I got more peppers to do. I'm gonna get those all done. I'm stuffing these peppers. And I've cleaned up and gotten ready all the big ones that are stuffable. There are a couple of tiny little yellow ones in here that really aren't big enough to stuff. So I'll just clean these up and add them in. Okay. Smells good. Now what I have, which is kind of weird, but I'm going to do it anyways, and I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to do it, is I made meatballs. I made sauce while I was up here. And I got like one meatball left. So I'm going to add it right in there. Chop it down a little bit. Maybe I have two. Let me check it. And I'm going to throw some sauce in with it. I hadn't planned on it, but I saw it sitting there and I'm like, what the heck? So it's obviously not totally vegetarian with fake meat, but one meatball. It'll help. See how much sauce I got left. One more spoon of it. Alright, I'll mix that in. Got a little garlic powder. I had this down really low. Now I just need to get it back at the heat, and we're going to do that now. Alright, there's the rooster. Told you I got some rooster. Fixes everything. Hopefully. I love the rooster, but I guess it's become almost a trademark, but I don't want all my food to always taste like the rooster, you know? Even though I really, really like it, I want to keep different flavor profiles or whatever people that know something about food talk about. Alright, so now I got to get the next thing ready. Alright, I swear to you, one of these days I got to make a behind the scenes video. Because I literally just knocked the tripod and GoPro right into this food and it was a mess. But hopefully it's still working and I got it as clean as I think I did. Alright, so now what we're doing, we have the 4 cut in halves, so that gives us 8 halves of peppers. And we're going to fill them with this. Alright, so if any of them look like they might spill out, I'm going to use some of that zucchini to kind of block them in there. This one might. Okay, we'll turn that off. I'm going to turn the oven on to 350. Have some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle little bits of it in the bottom of the peppers because I can. Just a taste. I'm gonna put a coating on top. I'm gonna try to fill them. Alright, and to keep everything lively, everybody gets a smiley face. You won't be able to see them, but I know they're there. Alright, everybody's got a smiley face. Now we're just waiting for the stove. It's gonna be good. Flyover. Veggie stuffed peppers. And 1 meatball in there. And some sauce. Sriracha. There's your flyover. We're going to put them in the oven. About 10-15 minutes at 350. And then I'm going to put some cheese on top. And I'm going to broil it. Grab the cheese. Try not to burn my hands off. Oh, it smells really good. Alright, we got a little broil of them. I'm gonna get them out of there. Plate time. Get a plate. Boom. Look at there. Doesn't that look good? Alright, fly into it and over. My shadow. Steaming. To eat a bit of this. You see now? That's good. That's really good. I'll tell you. Hold on, I need another bite. It's really hearty. It doesn't feel like you're being gypped, you know? It feels it's a good meal. It's great. Tastes great. Now, I use some of my favorite vegetables. You can obviously use whatever you like. And I will say, I'm glad I got 7 more of these. And I'm pretty sure I'll be making this again. Really quick and easy. If you saw. Onions. Mushrooms. Zucchini. A little bit of yellow pepper. I use that fake crumble stuff. I put a meatball that I had left over from my sauce. A little bit of sauce in there. Some sriracha. Some cheese. A little bit of that yellow pepper. Am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. And I'll tell you, that was really good. Really, really good. Alright, YouTubers, I highly suggest. That's some really good stuff. Have a great and wonderful day. Really, really good.